everyone to another episode of Apostolic Succession. According to the Catechism of the Catholic Church, when Christ instituted the 12, he constituted them in the form of a college or permanent assembly, at the head of which he placed Peter, chosen from among them. Just as by the Lord's institution, St. Peter and the rest of the apostles constitute a single apostolic college, so in like fashion, the Roman Pontiff, Peter's successor, and the bishops, the successors of the apostles, are related with and united to one another. So today we hear about the 40th Pope in Apostolic Succession. Innocent I was the 40th Pope and reigned from 401 AD until March 12, 417 AD. He was born at Albano, Italy. He became Pope, succeeding Pope St. Anastasius I. He is remembered as a strong defender of orthodoxy and insisted on the primacy of the Bishop of Rome as the administrative leader of the Catholic Church. Some interesting facts about Innocent I. His papacy began sometime in 401 AD, and the papacy ended March 12, 417 AD. His successor, Zosimus Pontificalis, gives Innocent's father's name as Inocenz of Albano. However, his contemporary, St. Jerome, indicates that Innocent's father was none other than his immediate predecessor, Pope Anastasius I, from 399 to 401 AD. Innocent grew up among the Roman clergy and in the service of the Roman Church, probably holding the office of deacon before his elevation to the papacy. Some of his contributions include: Innocent condemned Pelagius at synods held in Carthage and Numidia in 416 AD. Also, the Meletian Schism, dating from the Arian controversy, was finally settled in Innocent's time. Through the generosity of Roman matron Vestius, Innocent I was able to build and decorate a church dedicated to St. Gervasius and St. Protasius. This church still stands in Rome today. Innocent I strongly favored clerical celibacy and fought the unjust removal of St. John Chrysostom. Innocent I asserted that Pope Damasus I had granted the Archbishop of Thessalonica the authority to consecrate bishops in eastern Illyria. Innocent I reaffirmed these powers of the Archbishop of Thessalonica and placed the administration of all dioceses of eastern Illyria under him as the representative of the Holy See in Rome. That's all for today. Thank you all for listening, and please stay tuned for our next episode. Please like, share, and spread the word to everyone around you. For Christ and for the Church, God bless you all.